Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Watercolor Botanicals is probably one of the most inspiring and accessible ways to bring the beauty of nature into your home or creative projects, offering a unique blend of artistic expression and botanical accuracy that appeals to both seasoned artists and curious beginners alike. Number 5. Pretty Simple Lettering Workbook. Discover the joy of beautiful handwriting. This workbook guides you through the fundamentals of hand lettering and modern calligraphy, making it easy for anyone to start. Designed specifically for beginners, you'll find clear, step-by-step instructions. Learn at your own pace with exercises that build your skills progressively. Enjoy a premium experience with its durable spiral-bound hardcover. The pages lay flat, providing a comfortable and practical surface for your practice sessions. Explore the elegant art of modern calligraphy. This guide breaks down complex strokes into simple, manageable steps, helping you achieve stunning results. Transform your writing into art. Whether for journaling, invitations, or creative projects, this workbook is your perfect companion to begin your lettering journey. What we like. This book offers a fantastic starting point for anyone new to lettering. Its guided approach makes learning accessible and enjoyable. If you are looking to develop your handwriting into beautiful calligraphy, this is the perfect companion. What people say. Techniques, terminology, and tools are covered in an easy-to-read guide. Each page is clearly understood, and if you follow her recommendations, I believe you will have success. Muy lindo libro de prácticas y para iniciar lettering, explica muy bien que plumas, position, tips y más. Number 4. Modern Watercolor Botanicals Workshop. Discover the joy of painting with our comprehensive workshop. Learn techniques in watercolor, gouache, and ink to bring your botanical visions to life. Explore step-by-step guidance designed for all skill levels. You'll master essential methods for creating stunning floral and plant artwork. Dive into a world of color and texture. This guide will help you create vibrant and expressive pieces that capture the beauty of nature. Learn how to seamlessly blend watercolor, gouache, and ink. Achieve unique effects and add depth to your botanical illustrations. Embark on a fulfilling creative journey. Perfect for beginners and experienced artists alike, this workshop is your gateway to beautiful botanical art. What we like. Dive into the intricate world of botanical art with this comprehensive guide. It explores various techniques using watercolors, gouache, and ink. If you love nature and want to capture its beauty with diverse artistic tools, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This book is a great resource for learning watercolor techniques. The author provides clear and concise instructions that are easy to follow. The book features a beautiful collection of botanical illustrations that are inspiring. Number 3. Botanical Painting. Immerse yourself in the delicate beauty of the natural world. Our new collection captures the intricate details of botanical life. Experience the stunning vibrancy and lifelike precision of each piece. These artworks bring the essence of the outdoors into your space. Add a touch of natural elegance to any room. These paintings are perfect for art lovers and nature enthusiasts alike. Each artwork is meticulously handcrafted with passion and attention to detail. You can feel the dedication in every brushstroke. Transform your home with the serene beauty of these botanical paintings. They offer a unique way to connect with nature. What we like. Explore advanced methods for creating lifelike botanical paintings. This resource provides in-depth instruction for achieving stunning detail. If you are passionate about realistic plant depictions and want to refine your skills, consider this option. What people say. It's beautifully laid out, with easy-to-follow instructions for painting all kinds of flowers and plants. Filled with contemporary watercolor artworks and more than 30 step-by-step projects, beautifully illustrated. This is the best botanical watercolor book I have purchased. It makes so much sense project by project. Number 2. Hello, Watercolor. Beginner's Art Book. Are you ready to explore the beautiful world of watercolor? This book is your perfect starting point. Dive into creative techniques and inspiring projects designed just for you. Discover simple yet effective watercolor methods. We break down each technique step by step, making it easy to follow along. You'll be creating stunning art in no time. Get inspired with a variety of engaging projects. From landscapes to portraits, find ideas that will spark your creativity. Each project is designed to build your skills and confidence. This guide is specifically crafted for the beginning artist. No prior experience is needed. We'll help you get started on your artistic journey with clear instructions and helpful tips. Begin your adventure in watercolor painting today. This comprehensive book provides everything you need to get started. Let your creativity flow and create beautiful artwork. What we like. Embark on your watercolor journey with this engaging guide. It introduces fundamental techniques through a variety of inspiring projects. If you're a complete beginner eager to explore watercolor creativity, this book will set you on the right path. What people say. Half the book covers supplies, hues, fundamentals, and brush lettering basics. The second half is exactly 15 tutorials, 5 of which seem very young in style and color, for teenagers and younger, unicorn and goldfish for example. The 10 tutorials that don't feel too kiddie are definitely lovely for real beginners. The exercises that I never knew about will assist me in improving. No teacher has ever suggested anything for me to learn precision, more brushwork, and easier hints for water control. The book is appealing with the color, layout, and organization. There are templates included for projects and lots of color theory made easy. It has a little bit of everything in it, such as creating designs, lettering, color recipes, color theory, creating textures, and a little about connecting with others in the art community. It's basic information which is perfect for the beginner. Number 1. Watercolor Workbook, Flowers, Feathers, and Animal Friends. Discover the joy of watercolor painting with this beginner-friendly workbook. It's designed to guide you through beautiful projects, making art accessible to everyone. Explore 25 unique projects featuring delicate flowers, elegant feathers, and charming animal friends. Each step is clearly explained, ensuring a rewarding creative experience. Paint with confidence on our premium watercolor paper. It's specially chosen to handle washes and details beautifully, preventing bleed-through and ensuring your artwork shines. No prior experience needed. This workbook is crafted for absolute beginners. You'll learn essential techniques and create stunning pieces from your very first try. Once you've completed your paintings, they're ready to be framed or gifted. Add a personal touch to your home decor or surprise loved ones with your artistic creations. Embark on a delightful artistic adventure. This is more than just a book, it's your companion to discovering the wonderful world of watercolor painting. What we like. Get hands-on practice with this workbook designed for beginners. It includes premium paper and projects featuring flowers, feathers, and animals. If you prefer learning by doing and want to immediately start painting various subjects, this is ideal for you. What people say. I love that this has watercolor paper so you can work directly in the book. The color recipes are wonderfully helpful. I mix intuitively and generally create the shade I want, but having these recipes opens up a lot more colors I never considered and makes consistent remixing much easier. Clear step-by-step instructions to help you learn the techniques. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.